Hi, thanks for coming. I'm very excited to introduce my final project. My final project is Feature Theatre Project Moving Without a Body, which is a digital dance performance with machine learning, finding the relationship among body movements, technology, and transformation of choreography. As body is not only physical but also conceptual in theatre, I wanted to see body movement from analog to digital as a shift in conception rather than simple technical realization. So, throughout today's presentation, you will explore the possibility of extended relationship between the theatrical performance and technology, and you're gonna get 3 minutes dance performance video installation. I first wanted to abstract it from the body and transform it into numerical information. So, I analyzed Oskar Schlemmer's drawings into XY coordinate. When each point of X and Y axis facing with each other, it makes a visible values. Then I was able to calculate 15,000 numbers of points to accurately find path of drawing on paper. After I made a visual data signals, I put them into 3D environment. So, image on the right, you can see the visualization over Oskar Schlemmer's work showing human form and its movements can be recognized by data processing. With this exciting exercise, see these videos. Well, it was fun to play with my face and sounds in real time. But behind this, as you know, this facial recognition technology is very controversial these days because of the fact that it can be used for surveillance technology to identify people's face. The reason this is possible is because your facial data can be translated into numerical values. It means this technology can track where you are and how you feel and even more. So, you can think how this new technology can break down such boundaries between real and digital world. Now, here's a really cool moment before we head into the next step, because with this very important point of view to understand the possibility of data transformation, I started finding a way to adapt it into a theatrical experience. Here's the images that I displayed in Tate Modern. I used AI body tracking technology that audience can see their skeletal body on iPad while camera tracking the audience in real time. I also had computer visionary installation which audience can play with their body movements to draw or paint in virtual environments. And I found the output often make exotic data visualization like this. Then I decided to incorporate this with choreography at stage. After this practical research, here's my favorite and one of interesting designing processes. These are drawings to design human body in digital space. Human movement requires a lot of cooperation from each of the body parts. So seeing this in motion with drawings can give a sense of what actually goes into a movement. So you can see how the body works together to perform specific movements and foresee how it could be embodied in digital environments by starting from the sketches. I put rectangular, circular, and linear shapes to feel different sense of movements on drawings by overlapping each of shapes on the body joints. You can see diverse directional force, rotation, and sense of velocity from the drawings. So, in 2 dimensions, these are rectangles, circles, and lines. But what about in 3 dimensions? Boxes, spheres, and polylines are under the same idea, so these experiments are the effort to spot the seamless data visualization. I used computer vision, making different algorithms to visualize shapes and forms with generative patterns and movements under different lighting environments. Then, with this practice, I 3D scanned myself to transform it into tangible data. Well, in order to make it interactive with my physical movements, I recorded my physical movements and translated into spatial data, which can make digitalized body move. It created organic shapes of digital body fit into my recorded movements. During all these amazing experiments, I found my body can perform movements and my mind can think and choreograph a dance. So this video shows my improvisational choreography and its interaction with data-driven body in real time. We now move on to final step I really want to empathize. How to make a story and narrative for digital dance performance. It's the same as physical theater. I imagined what atmosphere would be like and what emotional interaction be on stage, or what sort of messages audience could read while they are in the space. I wanted to create a coexistence where a human body can make its own scene and story, even archive itself as an autonomous process, so that the past and the present can circulate each other through their body engagement. Then finally, I designed a stage where you can choreograph your movements in any time, in any space. If you turn on Skype or Zoom with a live video chat using your webcam. Here we go. Hope you enjoyed the video. Here is a technical system diagram. You can have a look how multiple live video channels work with the integration between software and hardware in real time to produce live digital performance without physical meeting. With machine learning and virtual communication through internet, this is having a great potential to using in entertainment industry under such COVID-19 situation, but also reducing entire production cost by testing and simulating before rehearsal takes place. This is my email, Instagram, and website. If you have any questions for this project, let me know. Thanks for watching.